Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make woman voice in Voice Changer with Effects app. But first, I just want to mention, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. As we can see, here we have a lot of options, but first we need to record something. For record on audio file, we have to press the microphone icon on the top center. For example, let's say, hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app. Now we could choose from ton of different effects. For the woman effect, we have to scroll down a little bit and search for the woman option. As we found it, we have to tap on the play button.
Hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app.
That's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye.